Want to wipe a YouTube channel off the internet completely? Whether you're decluttering old projects or starting totally fresh, deleting a channel is surprisingly quick, but you have to be absolutely sure because there's no going back. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, including the crucial first step you must take so you don't accidentally delete the wrong account. If you find this quick tech tip helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps out. Ready? Let's dive in. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to studio.youtube.com and tap continue to studio. And make sure you're logged into the correct account. Look closely at the channel that is currently active. If it's not the one you want to delete, click switch account and select the correct one. Look in the bottom left corner and click on settings, select channel, and now click advanced settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Look for the section labeled other settings and click the link that says remove YouTube content. Because this is a major change, Google will ask you to verify it's really you. Go ahead and sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be faced with two choices. Hide your content or permanently delete it. We are going all the way, so click on I want to permanently delete my content. Expand the menu and YouTube will show you a checklist of exactly what data is about to be wiped out. Read this carefully. If you understand what is being deleted, check the confirmation boxes and hit the delete my content button. As a final safety measure, YouTube will ask you to type in your channel name to confirm your decision. Type it in and press delete my content one last time and boom, it's done. Your channel and all of its data are now in the deletion queue. It might take a few minutes or a couple of days for it to vanish entirely, but you're all set. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.